Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing incredibly well, and I'd like to take this moment to thank you all for subscribing to Make Money Efficiently. Now, this is what you need to type in Google. We're talking about a company called honeygain, and you can see this is the first link that appears and it says honeygain. You get passive income right without any effort. So we're going to look at what this website is going to do for us and how it's going to help us to make money online. So honeygain is a company that helps you earn money online by sharing your internet. Now, I know you might be thinking about data and your privacy and a lot of other things that come together with this, but please go through all the terms and conditions and you would get to know that this is a legit company. And as usual, we've done a couple of things in terms of research, and you can see that it is a legit platform that will pay you for sharing your bandwidth and device resources. Right, so you could see that here, and this is a review that is given from paid from surveys.com. Right, so go straight to this website called honeygain.com, and you can see that you can earn passive income without any effort. Right, so now there are options where you can download it for Windows, or you can use it for any other device, but it's pretty easy. So what you need to do is go and click the download button and get this application for your Windows laptop. Right, so click on it and you could see that you can start earning with honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, and you get to unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, and there's so many other stuff. Right, so you click on learn more and you can do that. I'm sure you can find all this information on your own. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Right, so you get to earn without compromising security. Now, this is what you need to read to be sure that they are not stealing your data and they are not misusing it in any manner. Right, so make sure to go through this and click on the learn more button, the tab, and you would get to know everything in detail. So you get to know exactly what your internet is used for. So basically, once you start using honeygain, your devices act like towers, right? So, and you help world famous businesses to access the web without having to worry about location-based restrictions or censorship. So click on the learn more once again, go through all this, and before signing up for this, before hitting that download button, please be sure that you know what you're doing and you've read all those terms and conditions, and only if you're comfortable, please go ahead with it. Right, so here is the part that I love, right? We all love to make money online, especially a passive income, right? So this is the part I love. If you can see that figure, it's really great. You get up to $55 a month with 3 IPs. So basically you are sharing your internet. So this can also vary according to the number of gigabytes that is shared. So daily traffic. So if you increase this, you could see if you share on average around 8 GB, you could get around $73 per month. And likewise, you can earn up to $181 a month. Now, that is the amount of traffic and gigabytes that you share. I'm sure this would be enough to even pay your internet bill and get you more money as well. Right, and you can see that if you increase the daily content delivery, you would also get more money with honeygain. So that's how it works. You need to download this and run this on your system, and then you get to know how all these works. And basically what you would be sharing is what would influence you to earn is your location, the number of IP addresses. So what they mean is if there are more devices that are connected to your internet, then you get to earn more. For example, if 3 or 4 devices are connected to your internet, you get to earn more money online, right? And it also depends on the speed of your network, which is pretty important. And I'm sure that all of us have very good internet connections overall. So it's pretty simple. You just need to go to honeygain.com, download the application, and get started with this. So the 5 basic steps to honeygain. Now, you set it up. It can be installed on any device like Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and also your Android device with a stable internet connection. So for all of you who have smartphones alone, you can go ahead and make use of this as long as you have a good internet connection, right? Then you need to run honeygain, and then after that let everything gather as your internet connection gets publicly available online, where you help businesses, and then it's simple, you get paid. So users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or crypto for those of you who are into crypto. And you can also choose to get your money through PayPal. So it's entirely left up to you. What do you like to do with this? But it's pretty simple. So since we all use the internet, since we all have stable internet connections, you can go ahead and try this option and see if you could get paid. Well, even if it, I'm just assuming while sharing your internet, and if you're able to pay your internet bill, it's still going to benefit you in some way or the other. And it only takes 5 minutes to start earning with honeygain. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Don't wait, download this right now, but be sure to read the terms and conditions. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all are staying safe, and I wish you all the luck for the future, and I hope you can get some quick dollars from honeygain. So thank you all for your time, and I'll see you all again in the next video.